Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've come to give you two different updates about the late Aalafin of Oyo Oba Lamidi Adeyemi the third. The number one is about this man called Baba Keji. He had witnessed and served three different Aalafin of Oyo, and he had been the one taking care of Oba Adeyemi, of the late Oba Adeyemi Lamidi. He has been the one taking care of him since his primary school days, while his father Aalafin Adeniran Adeyemi was a king. And then they say he's about 118 years old. You really need to see this man. You really need to see him. He's so smart, healthy, and very agile. And the way I'm seeing it, so don't let me describe it. Let me call him a special being. Yes. And from the source, we were told that he is the head of the palace aides. He is still alive and is likely that he will serve the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth king. Who knows? Yes, that's the first update about that's the first update from Aalafin of Oyo Palace. The second update is about the queens of the king, of the late king. Yes, in Yoruba tradition, it is believed that the wives of the monarch, either separated or mostly married, they are not at liberty to lay with any other men. You know that. So now other men or since some atonement are made to appease to the gods before any other man can dare say he wants to live with them. And now, however, palace sources claim that the late Alaafin wives may now move on with their normal lives. Yes, they are not performing any cleansing, so we hear. So they are free to move on with their lives. However, the wives cannot get married to an EDG of Oyo. So guys, you that your eyes is doing kpako kpako to the queens of the late Alaafin, you are now at liberty to marry them in as much you are not from Oyo, if you are not an EDG of Oyo. So do you hear that? And now however, the wives can now get married to they cannot get married to an indigenous of Oyo. And now that Alaafin is dead, they all will be asked to exit the palace, and they all will be asked to exit the palace with their belongings. Although the properties of the late monarch will be shared among them, that's a source. That's what a source told us. That's a source from the palace. And the number of wives remains unclear, but our source told us that he has at least 18 wives. Yes, that's what we are told, that at least he had about 18 wives. So let me give you the names of the young queens of Alafin for those of you that are interested. Mujidat, Rukayat, Folashade, Badirat, Àjọkẹ́, Memunat, Ọmọwùmí, Ọmọbọ́láńlé, Mojí, Àánúolúwaápọ̀, Dámilọ́lá, Chioma, Ibu, Baba Trump, I love my cap, Baba, and others. They are now available for you suitors, for those of you that are interested. So guys, but mind you, it, if you are an EDG of Oyo town, do not, if you are an EDG of Oyo, don't just try it, okay? Except the gods will come for you and you understand, you're down. Okay guys, so I want you to drop your comments and your opinion in the comment section below. Thank you. Thumbs up.